Good morning, my children. How are you? Welcome back to our EVS online class. Children, did you write and study your previous work? I hope all of you have done the previous work. Children, what we studied in the last class? Did you remember that? What is the first one? What is the function of heart? What is the function of heart? Who knows this answer? Do you answer? Yes, please answer it. Yes. Heart pumps blood to different parts of the body. The heart pumps blood to the different parts of the body. Second one, which are the three types of blood vessels? Which are the three types of blood vessels? What are they? Who knows this answer? Yes, please answer it. Yes, arteries, veins and capillaries. What are they? All students say loudly. What is the answer? Arteries, veins and capillaries. Third one, distinguish between arteries and veins. Distinguish between arteries and veins. Do you know answer? Yes, please say answer. Say loudly. Yes. Arteries are blood vessels that carry pure blood. All students listen to me very carefully. Arteries are blood vessels that carry pure blood, but veins are blood vessels that carry impure blood. Veins are blood vessels that carry impure blood. Last one. What are called capillaries? What are called capillaries? Say loudly. What is the answer? Yes, please answer it. Yes, very good. The tiny blood vessels are called capillaries. What are called capillaries? The tiny blood vessels are called capillaries. All students stand up. Right hand, front, left hand, front, hands up, sit down. Now we discuss about lungs for breathing. All students say loudly. Lungs for breathing. Children, do this activity. Take in maximum air through your nose. Take in maximum air through your nose. What happens to your chest? What do you feel? Take in maximum air through your nose. What happens to your chest? Yes, our chest will rise slightly. Our chest will rise slightly. Where does the air get filled in? Air pulls through the nose into the lungs. Can you keep the air you have breathed in for a long time? Can you keep the air you have breathed in for a long time? The air we breathe in travels from nose to lungs. The air we breathe in travels from nose to lungs. Children, observe the pictures. Where are the lungs situated? Where are the lungs situated? Yes, inside the rib cage in the chest lies a pair of lungs. Rib cage means asthikudam. Lungs help us to take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. What are the functions of lungs? Yes, lungs help us to take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. All students can understand about what are the functions of lungs. All students say loudly. Lungs help us to take in oxygen. and give out carbon dioxide. Taking in of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide is called respiration. What is the meaning of respiration? Respiration means Shosanam. Once again I say, what is called respiration? Taking of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide is called respiration. Lungs take the oxygen from the air and give it to the blood. Lungs also take carbon dioxide from the blood and send it out through the nostrils. Nostrils means mookilude. Once again I say, all students listen to me very carefully. The lungs take the oxygen from the air and give it to the blood. Lungs also take carbon dioxide from the blood and send it out through nostrils. This process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide is respiration. All students can understand about what is called respiration. Children, please observe this video.
The system's main functions include transporting air into and out of the lungs, protecting the body against harmful particles that are inhaled, and its most important function, the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. So it's basically about breathing. Now let's take a look at a diagram and we'll go through the respiratory system's main components. Starting here with the nose and nasal cavity, the mouth or oral cavity. The pharynx is here, and it is what we consider the throat. The pharynx is considered part of the digestive system as well as the respiratory system, and it connects the respiratory openings to the larynx and esophagus. The esophagus is not part of the respiratory system, and I'll get to why I put it in the diagram in a minute. Next we have the larynx, which is also called the voice box because the vocal cords are located here. The trachea, also called the windpipe, is here, and it connects to the bronchi, which merge into smaller tubes called bronchioles. And the bronchioles connect to tiny air sacs called alveoli. And then down here is the diaphragm. Now let's go through a very basic look at what happens during the breathing process. So air is breathed in through the nose or mouth.
Next I say about kidneys. Children, observe the pictures. What can you see? Yes, this is the picture of kidneys. Wastes are formed as a result of different functions that take place in the body. Wastes are formed as a result of different functions that take place in the body. Kidneys collect the wastes from the blood. Kidneys collect the wastes from the blood. The wastes are passed out through urine. The wastes are passed out through urine. What are the functions of kidney? Kidneys collect the wastes from the blood and wastes are passed out through urine. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs, each about the size of the fist. They are located just below the ribcage, one on each side of your spine. Healthy kidneys filter about a half cup of blood every minute, removing wastes and extra water to make urine. Means the kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped reddish brown organs. Kidneys keep us healthy by sending out the wastes from our body. The kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped reddish brown organs. Kidneys keep us healthy by sending out the wastes from our body. How do kidneys keep us healthy? How do kidneys keep us healthy? The kidneys are bean-shaped organs. Kidneys keep us healthy by sending out the wastes from our body. Next, I say about brain to control. Now I say, or now we discuss about brain. We do many activities at a time. Children, we do many activities at a time. For example, respiration, circulation, and digestion are all taking place at the same time. How is this possible? Children, do you know? The brain controls and coordinates all functions of the organs. The brain controls and coordinates all functions of the organs. It helps us to learn, speak, see, hear, feel, think, etc. Here are one question. What are the functions of the brain? What are the functions of brain? All students say loudly. The brain controls and coordinates all functions of the organs. It helps us to learn, speak, see, hear, feel and think. Brain has many parts. Brain has many parts. Different parts have different functions. Different parts have different functions. Brain lays inside the bony box in the head. Bony box means talayoti. Brain lays inside the bony box in the head. It protects the brain from injuries. Bony box protects the brain from injuries. There are many more organs inside our body. There are many more organs inside our body. Now we discussed some internal organs or inside organs: blood circulation, heart, brain, lungs, kidney. Children, take your EVS textbook and look page number 86. Look at the pictures and write the name and the functions of each. Look at the pictures and write the name and the functions of each. First one, what is the picture of that? What is the first picture? What is the first picture? Yes, heart. Second one, lungs. Third one, kidney. Last one, brain. Write their function also. Then please take your EVS notebook and write your homework. First one, what is called respiration? What is called respiration? Second one, how do the kidneys keep us healthy? How do the kidneys keep us healthy? Then third one, what are the functions of the brain? What are the functions of the brain? The last one, what are the functions of kidneys? What are the functions of kidneys? The next, let's draw in your EVS collection book. Draw the lungs of a man and color it. And draw the pictures of kidneys. Now I wind up this class. I hope you can understand this class. If you have any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp. Thank you.